Everyone, today I'm gonna build something like this. I will follow the instructions and my daddy by this, and I made a house. This is the house, and I'll show you how I make the house. This is how the way. First, I'll make a big triangle like this. I'll use this big tree, like 1, 2, 3. It's done and done. And then I will make another big triangle, just like this. Get some this, and I need one here. One triangle, one last triangle, and then I will connect together, just like this. Dot, dot. I need another ball here and here, just in case. But we're missing something. One ball. Like this. When I had 2 of them, I need to do this, and I need one small piece of ink, and I need ink. See, when I have it, and then I put it up, and then I will get one small tiny piece and connect like here and here. And then when it's like a house, don't forget to put on the screw like this, and this. And I need a bowl there. I need another bowl. There you go. This is done and done. And this is how I make a big house.
Yay! Good job, my love!
Bye. Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna make something cool, but before we start, I have a fidget spinner made by Magnet, and it spins very well. Wow. It's not, when it spins fast, there's no sounds. There's just no sounds.
Is that removable?
Removable? Of course you have to, because this is magnet, and I made it by myself.
Wow,
Just like
super
this.
cool.
See?
Nice, huh? I like it.
And I made it by myself.
Really?
Yeah,
That's cool.
And then I have this. I'm gonna make a triangle. Ink, and I need a ball. Here magnet ball. See? Now it breaks. So this is breakable.
Oh yeah.
So I'm gonna put this into here, and then when I need a double ball, I need another ball. Where is it? Ball.
This is the one?
That
No.
kind of ball.
Alright.
No, not that ball. I need to connect it here, and then see, when I have do like this, it spins, but it fall down. But this because this one is super white, super heavy. See?
That's why it's not spinning.
And this is
It's falling down.
small.
Yeah. Exactly, you're right.
And then
Okay.
do here, and then spinning. It goes slow because it doesn't. But this one is, this is so more stronger to carry because it's big, and it's super. And this one's tiny, so it can spin. Whee!
Nice. Okay. Say bye-bye. What can you say
Bye-bye.
with your viewers?
Bye. He click our channel, yung Blagag.
I will do a video. Go.
Hi everyone, today I'm gonna make something. I'm gonna make a fidget spinner like this one. See? And let's test a spin. Tomorrow I will make this and look how it spins. Whee!
That
There's a-
is cool.
And boosh.
Mhm.
Cool. Oh, we did it! I know it now.
It's
Go.
nice.
I can do it. I have to practice like this, use a fidget spinner so that I'll know. Ooh, speed boosh. This is how the
Whoops.
way to spin fast. Oh!
Oops.
Put it up.
Okay, wait. Okay, go. Ready, set, go.
It's gonna be whoosh. Look at it go. It's so fast. How many? There is 3 of the balls.
Better you
but
put
there's
wings.
So many
Both sides.
wings,
Yeah, both sides.
or maybe.
I do a video. Okay.
Sure. Sponge. Yes. And then I have to.
Put together. Yeah. It's loose.
Bleh.
Turn it. Wow, this is cool,
Cool.
Miguel. Hi, Miguel.
I'm gonna make different, and you are gonna picture it. And look how I made a different one. Oh yeah, let's get starting. Think. Yes.
Wow, that's cool. So this one is SuperMag.
Ta-da! This is another one. I made this, and then I'm gonna put the ball back, and then this is gonna be look like. Ta-da!
Perfect.
And I'm gonna make this thing super duper ultimate.
Saka umaga pala.
And
Dapat makalagay ako ng cream tapos painitan ko sa
And
araw
then?
ganyan.
ta-da!
10 to 15 minutes.
This is on